Good morning, everyone. I'm at the beautiful Lundbreck Falls in Alberta, Canada. Going to be fishing the Crowsnest River today. From what I've read, downstream of these falls has rainbow, bull, and brown trout, whereas upstream is mostly just rainbow. So I'm going to try to fish both areas if I have enough time and catch a few fish. Thanks for watching. There's one. First fish on the crow's nest. Oh, it's a bull trout. Alright, it's my first bull trout I've caught. You can tell the mouths on these are a little bit different. They kind of look like a brook trout, but not as good looking. There you go. First bull trout on the crow's nest. There's one. That's a baby one. Look, a baby rainbow. Looks like I got a friend coming over here. Yeah, he's over there. That's all right, no problem. Looks like a nice dog. Yeah. That's the deepest part right over there. That's probably where they're at. There's one. Alright. West slope cutthroat right there. Very nice. There's one. Oh, that is a mountain whitefish. That is the fourth species of fish I've caught in about, I don't know, 200 yards of water. Mountain whitefish right there. Impressive to get 4 different species in such a short area. There's one. Yeah, another west slope cut. Beautiful fish. There's one. It's like another mountain whitefish. There it goes. Deep pool here. Should be some big boys. So deep I might need to add some depth on my strike indicator. There's one. It's fighting like a whitefish. trout. That's a West Slope cutthroat. Let me get him here in the water. Nice fish. See ya, buddy. There's one. It's another mountain whitefish. These guys, they fight differently than a trout. I can just tell that they pull differently. Different angles and velocity and stuff like that. There's one. Looks like another whitefish. Yep. Mountain whitefish. All right. I don't like this angle. It's not easy to net a fish from here, but it gets really deep here. Could be some big fish. Oh, I just took one immediately. Looks like it's a rainbow. All right, he flipped off, but that's a good size little rainbow. There's one. What is that? It's a baby cut.